Hello, TechSavvvvy. Today, video tutorial for my service install series, or setup series. This is now part 3, Active Directory. This is part 4, I want to do 4 files here to do this. That's part 3. Active Directory is used a lot of times in businesses and schools to get their own user accounts. I use this when I like playing with Active Directory, and 2, I like having profiles for shares. One is a read-only profile, one is a main profile. So what I see Active Directory and do all for my shares. So let's just get it done now. Shall we? So I add Active Directory to the setup. I put one of the videos that I have them with me. Yeah, that file right there. Alright. So we're going to set IP address set first. I do for video. That would prove that it's about I have the right IP address. Alright, we're going to the server manager, manage, add roles and features. Let's do the defaults. To the F off. That is fine. Let's add domain services. Add features. And it says display next. That'll be fun to install. Next. Next. And install. Let this take a minute to install. I bet this is done. Alright, right then. Did I already install that? Huh. Not really, no. Alright, never mind. Alright. Once you've got everything all set up, or install, I should say, not set up, but over here, and then start deploying permissions from the TechSavvvvy. No. Right click. Okay, you can do hit promote. Okay, yeah, no. Domain, we're gonna go TechSavvvvy. You do what you want with this word. And then we're something dot something else. So we're gonna do like something.com, something.net, something dot piss off. I don't care. I'm gonna change here. And your admin login for your server. This is not new, this is what you've been using to administrate your server. I'm gonna hit next. Add new forest. So add new forest and then your name if you want. Then boom. This is what I'll say. You can refer that over yourself. This is a quick and dirty setup. Let me make sure that's there. That's fine. Server 16 is fine. I don't really care. Like for this. Default fine, default fine. Install. They've done DNS. Pausing it, browser. And do all this little stuff here. Gotta reboot. So we'll just, let's, down here, hit restart, hit baby to it. Alright, now wait for the reboot. There's no more like like stimulus restarting. It's called the HD, the hard of things like maybe guess what it's doing. Actually probably about done. Let's try it. Not something that because yeah, I always try. Let's try my choices. Yeah. That's why. So, no doubt I need first sign with remote access. If you use remote access, you have to do your domain / username and then normal password. Like, yeah. There. Alright. Value has still not loaded for the other somewhere in this. So it's really dirty how I compare to things. So load through. We're looking at the CPU. Oh yeah. Okay. I got the tools. I did the order here. Well, first off, I just maybe when I started enjoying first password requirements, and I hate those. So I disable really complicated disable the password completely. So to do that, I'm gonna look here. Show manager tools and root policy amendments. We're gonna go under the domain name. Right click. Let's see. Under there. Okay, domain. Do you want the policy? I'll find that. Okay, edit. Go to the root policy amendment for your domain. There is your configuration. Policies. Windows settings. Security settings. Account policies. Policy. Okay. Password monthly compulsory settings is done. So F off. Bye. Now you need to do a command here. Oh, command prompt. GP up. I got a room box too. GP up. Date. / force. And I should disable the password policy. Worship. Okay. So the tools. I did messaging server and create our accounts. Okay, two servers. I'm gonna do more later. User domain, users, and right click, hit new, user, first name, I'm gonna do J, name, oh, sort of, so, username, password, and the other options, I don't like this bullshit, so I'm gonna do password, Not change. I'll change it if I want to from here. What's wrong with this? No, wasn't. I can't do the same thing as what? What? Uh-oh. Alright. Put it in the user. Let me go for my file shares. Fuck. Alright. Cool. That's all you got. And I'm talking to it, I took Windows Server, 2022. I've done this on virtual machines as practice for doing my actual box. So, there you go. Hope you all enjoy. You may use the one, too. Actually, I'll just have to disconnect the computer to your Active Directory first, and then I'll end the video there, so we'll do that later. Alright, as promised, I want to show you how to run an Active Directory domain server with Windows Server 2022 using a compatible computer. Windows 10, 7 I believe works, 8 I assume works for the 7 days. It's a little tricky, which is how to do it. What to do is make sure you're on the same network as your server. It's kind of important. That's it. We're going to go to the network and sharing center, or the classic Windows 7 control panel. I just do from 10 to 1070. I don't care enough to. We're going to go to network internet, network and sharing center. I'll hit my connection here, Ethernet 2, properties, IPv4, properties. We're going to set a manual DNS server. Now, this is kind of odd. Windows Server creates its own DNS server. So you can enter the IP address of your server in order to connect to it. If you don't know what the IP of your Windows server is, open up the command prompt, do ipconfig, and I give you the IP of your server. This is not the server, obviously this is the desktop, but I know the IP of my server off the top of my head, so I'll end that there. Hit close, close again, and now you have your DNS set up. So we're going to find this PC. So you can go to properties. Have not done it on Windows 10, I'm not too sure on these. Advanced system settings. Computer name. Okay, do the computer name tab. So you can go to advanced settings. Yeah. Computer name. Or probably hit this too. Or in this PC. Yeah. Where it says to rename this meter, change to me. I'm gonna change. And we're gonna go to enter the name of your Audio-Technica group. Put in tssign.net. It's not what I called it. Or it's wrong. Let me see here. Forget what I did for that. Alright, yes. gonna show you guys here. I did TMD, the IP config, 023. What did I call this domain? I forget now. I remember I used that processing on a VM. Do directory. Is that all I called it? Can't be right. Okay. So this again, I changed it, that's why. Alright. Let's try that. There we go. Okay. So I didn't use the same name I did before, that's why. So let's close out of here. All of these. Now enter the. What if mine will work? I'll password up, to be honest. Oh, it worked. Cool. Alright. So enter the domain. Need to restart. So okay. I'm gonna restart. Now it's gonna go domain. So yeah, I forgot the domain name, that's why I had it almost right. Yeah, I did a project VM beforehand, that's why I think I used that name and I changed it. I'm kinda glad I did, but I'm gonna edit there. So now we have this all set on domain. And we'll do this. This is part of my computer boot process. I have it set for. That's how when PXE boot. That's right there, dummy. Then now it should boot in Windows. Just like any other computer would. The reason I do understand what I'm doing before, yes, I do have my own computer, my own physical server domain. That's pretty cool. It's the first for me. So it's still booting there. And now we get a login prompt for my. This is my local account. Yeah. My local account. Let's see if I go into another user. Sign to my domain. I do the same name though. They should reject. Maybe. Yes. I do the password though. I just put the name wrong into it. There we go. So this is a 12 user account. And then we are in our domain. So let's hit that one right. And cool. We're now in. This is a whole new domain. Admin. I'm curious. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. It's weird. Nope. I could join the domain, but I couldn't. Wrong password. But I couldn't do that. That's weird. Alright, whatever. Whatever. Alright. That's how you join it. I can join Windows Server 2022/Windows 10. Hope you enjoyed this video. I sure did. I'm playing for a bit, then I'll do something else. Alright. As always, nice to meet you guys. Take it easy.